We are Carl's Place, a Midwestern small business and your experts in everything DIY projector screens, found at carlofet.com. From movies in the backyard and game day with the crew, and large venues like schools, churches, and conferences, to swinging clubs at your own leisure, we sell the best screen materials for your projected image needs. Our channel is here to provide you with a showcase of tips and tricks, assembly guides, and material overviews. We encourage you to stick around, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing in the comments. If you or your business have any projected image needs, visit our website or get in contact with one of our customer service members to get your own bragworthy setup today.